Thao here. Over the past couple of months, I've been testing out an app called Samsung Flow, which is available on Windows and Galaxy devices. Samsung claims that it enables a seamless, secure, connected experience across both. I've mainly been using Samsung Flow on my Windows PC at work to cut down on the number of times I have to reach for my phone. Initially, I wasn't gonna do a video on it, but a recent update to the app made the experience a lot more enjoyable. Before the update, Samsung Flow relied strictly on Bluetooth for connection. And honestly, my experience with it wasn't very good. Everything was super slow and I found myself only using Flow to check notifications and to respond to text messages. With the new update, which allows for a Wi-Fi connection, I found all the features to work a lot quicker, and due to that, I'm actually using them. If you own a Windows PC and a Samsung smartphone, I think it's totally worth checking Samsung Flow out. Let's dive right into how I'm using the app and what it's capable of. Let's go. One of the core features of Samsung Flow is that it provides the ability to view smartphone notifications right from your PC. All your notifications will show up under the Notifications tab on the desktop and will actually stay there until you close them. Do keep in mind that the notifications will reset every time you disconnect the devices. My favorite use case for Flow is responding to text messages from my computer. I've tested Flow with Samsung Messages, Android Messages, and Signal. You can respond to messages from all three without a problem. With Samsung Messages, you can actually see a history of your text messages. Whereas with third-party apps, you only see the most recent message, which kind of sucks. Another drawback of the app is that you can't start a message without using SmartView, but I'll talk more about that later. I'm aware Samsung Messages has its own Windows app, but it would be nice to see the feature integrated into Flow. Being able to check notifications as they come in and respond to the occasional text message has been helpful. These days, I'll drop my phone on a wireless charger and will only typically touch it to take calls. So Flow allows for seamless file transfer between a PC and a connected phone. Trying to move a file from your PC to your phone? It's as easy as dragging and dropping it into the Flow window. If you're trying to send a file to your PC, locate the file on your phone, hit the share button, share it to Flow, and the file will automatically be sent. It's also a nice touch that you can select where you want the files to be saved on both devices so your download folders don't get too cluttered. Transfer speeds have been much better since the update that I no longer feel the need to plug in my phone or use Google Drive to move files. It works really well over Wi-Fi. You should definitely give it a try, especially if you move a lot of files back and forth. Now, here's a cool feature that I didn't discover until recently. On the desktop Flow window, there's a clipboard button located near the top. Click to enable it. Once enabled, the clipboards on both your smartphone and Windows PC are now shared. Anything you copy on your phone can be pasted right on the PC, and anything copied on the PC will automatically be saved to your phone's clipboard. If you're forgetful like me or deal with a lot of emails and messages, do yourself a favor and keep this enabled. There have been so many occasions where I've tried to refer to something that I copied a while back on my computer, and thanks to Clipboard Sharing, it's right there on my phone's clipboard, ready for me to send off in a new email or message. SmartView is probably Samsung Flow's best feature. It basically mirrors your phone screen right on your PC. You can pretty much use everything on your phone right on the computer. I mentioned earlier that this is a way to initiate text messages from your computer, and it works perfect for that. You can also quickly transfer files from your phone to your computer without having to pick up your phone. If there are any apps that you use frequently in SmartView, you can just add them to your favorites bar to quickly access them. Before the update, when it was reliant on Bluetooth, it was honestly a laggy mess, to the point where it wasn't even usable for me. I would click on something and it would take like 1 to 2 seconds to register. Now that it's on Wi-Fi, there is still a slight delay, but it's good enough for me to use regularly. You are given the ability to set the screen resolution, so setting it to medium or low does make things a lot more responsive. It's just not nice to look at. My biggest complaint is that the screen on your phone doesn't shut off. You can only dim it. I have mine on a wireless charging stand, and it's very distracting to see my phone copy everything I'm doing on the computer. Having the screen on like this also makes it very obvious that there is a delay. Samsung Flow also gives you the option to unlock your Windows PC using your fingerprint or iris. I haven't personally used this feature, but I thought it was worth mentioning for those of you who might be interested. And that's pretty much a rundown of what Samsung Flow can do. Just thought I would do a quick video as I received quite a few questions on my previous upload. With so many manufacturers trying to push their own ecosystem, forcing you to buy multiple devices from them to get a seamless experience, it's nice to see something that allows Samsung and Microsoft devices to work well together. As I mentioned earlier, Flow has really helped me cut down on the number of times I have to reach out for my phone while I'm at work. I just like to see the app polished off a bit visually and more features added to it. But hey, it's a really good start. I've received some really cool app suggestions from you all in my What's on my phone video for 2019. I'm slowly checking them all out, but let me know if you want to see videos highlighting some of the cool ones I've come across. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, peace. Bye!